Here I am in Foster Gardens, and we're approaching the Quipo tree. I asked this botanical gardens worker at Foster Gardens if he could just walk over to the tree to give a proportion to the size of this amazingly giant Quipo tree. It was planted in 1930. It's 80 years old, and it's absolutely unbelievable. It's huge. Yes, sir. Can you tell me anything about the tree? Do you offhandedly know anything?
This is from America.
I know they grow in Panama, and they make dugout canoes, and they have a water retention, so they're really amazing. But how high do you think this tree is? Any idea?
Probably about 100.
100. Yeah, but how high? How high it is?
125 feet.
125 feet high, and the width of this tubular tree around is probably 30 feet.
Yeah.
It's hard to believe. And we're in Foster Gardens, and it's a botanical gardens in downtown Honolulu, and it's one of the sites most visitors make the mistake of not seeing it because it's not well advertised. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that. So I'm going to cut around here. I guess I'm going to have to walk around. But you can see the size of an average palm tree compared to this thing. I've been to the redwood forest, and this thing's about as wide as the bigger redwoods. You know, some are wider, but it's just absolutely stunning. So I'm coming back around to give a perspective and different perspective of the tree. There are all kinds of rare and exotic trees from the tropics all around the world that were planted here by explorers and Europeans many, many years ago, hundreds of years ago. But this particular tree is only 100 years old, not even. It's actually 80 years old, because I read the brochure. It was planted in 1930, and now it's 2010. And this thing's just simply unbelievable. You can see other trees that are really large next to it. The Quipo tree. Foster Gardens, Honolulu, Hawaii.